Hey, Chucky here. Thanks for watching this video. And today I want to talk about another question that I've got is why do most people lose money online? Now, people lose money online because I think personally they come online with the wrong mindset. They see people, on Facebook, social media, how they make money online, how they earn thousands of dollars within 7 days, whatever. And they come with that same mindset that it's quick to do, uh, and and they're going to make the same amount of money, and that's completely wrong. And because of that, they get frustrated if they don't make a certain amount of money within a week or a few days or a month, and then they quit. It's important to understand that it is easy to start an online marketing or an online business, affiliate business, network marketing. It's really easy to start, but, and this is a big but, it's not easy. Right? It takes time. It takes commitment. It takes persistence. So that's, in my opinion, is why people lose money online. Another thing is people join, um, scams. There's a lot of scams online, especially in the crypto space. Even more specific, crypto network marketing or crypto MLM space. To be honest with you, um, the crypto MLM space, most of those opportunities are scams. If you want to get on the crypto space, just buy crypto and hodl it, sell it when it's high, buy when it's low, that type of thing. Keep it simple. But yeah, the most of crypto MLMs are scams and crypto opportunities for that matter. So it's basically just the coins, certain coins that you can buy and sell. That's good to sort of trade with, but long-term trading, not day trading. Day, and that's another thing. People lose money because they go into forex trading or crypto trading, want to do day trading, and they think it's easy to do as well, and they're gonna make so much money, and they lose a lot of money. So that's another reason. Another thing is people join affiliate programs, and then somebody tells them to take the link and promote it. And they share it on Facebook, or they share it on other social media platforms, and nothing happens. And then they get frustrated, discouraged, and they eventually quit as well. And most affiliate programs you can join for free, but yeah, some requires an upgrade investment. If it's an opportunity with an affiliate program combination, it requires a bit of an investment, $50, $100, whatever. But yeah, they get discouraged again, and they lose their money. So it's basically people have a misconception when they get online, or want to start make money online. I mean, even people in the e-commerce, it takes a lot of, you know, try and testing things to get the advertising right. So there's people losing money on e-commerce as well. So every section, every niche, there's a majority of people that lose their money because they do it wrong. They have the wrong mindset. They approach it completely wrong, and instead of just find out exactly what is the right way to do it. Now, I want to share with you my opinion of how you should approach it and what you should do. The most important thing is to understand is you need, when you look at affiliate marketing or network marketing or any online opportunity, the most important thing is you need to build your email list. That is your most important asset, and that should be your most important focus. That's where your focus should be. And from there on, you follow up with those leads to build trust. You can do it automatically by set up follow-up emails, or you can do it manually, send them emails yourself on a regular basis. It doesn't really matter. So building your email list should be your main focus and priority. Now, how do you do that? Now, I'm going to recommend this. This is if you're a beginner, if you've been struggling online, even if you have been online for a few years and don't really make that much money, and you lose money more than you're making money, then I'm going to recommend the following. And this is a proven system, a free system that you can use, and it's called MLM Lead Pro. Now, MLM Lead Pro helps you with that main focus I talk about, and that's to help you build your email list. MLM Lead Pro also help you to set up follow-up emails that is automated. So basically what it means is the system will follow up with your leads on a regular basis, and it's a one-time setup and you're ready to go. Now, MLM Lead Pro use a system called Lead Sleep for where you set up your email list and where you will have your leads, and the Lead Sleep is free as well. So it's very cool to use. It's very easy to set up. You have your training videos here. You have your when you click on your account, you'll see all the setup steps. Very easy to do. Now, what MLM Lead Pro also have as a free system is income opportunities within the system. Now, all these income opportunities have been tried and tested. They work really well. They're legit. And so you can, if you want, you can join these opportunities. You can join one, you can join all of them. It all depends on your finances. And if you don't want, you don't have to join any of them. Just understand, if you introduce a lead to the MLM opportunity, or you build your email list, you share MLM Lead Pro, and they join that opportunity which you did not join, then they will end up with your sponsor, and your sponsor will earn that commissions from there on. So keep that in mind. But I mean, everything is all up to you. You can decide. Now the cool thing is when you log in, let me quickly show you here. When you join for free, and you should, as a free member or as a new member, you should see this simple steps, 5 steps that you need to follow. And you go through the video, watch the video, just follow the instructions, click save and continue. Right, you do that and it will take you to the next thing. You can join under your sponsor. It will share your sponsor's opportunity, and then click save and continue. You can skip it as well if you want. So it's very easy to do, very simple to do. Let's go back to MLM Lead Pro. So you have this amazing system that you can use. It helps you to focus on one thing, and that's building your email list. The cool thing is you have all done for you. Lead capture pages as well. You just open your library. It will share with you all the different lead capture pages that you can use. If you don't know exactly what to do, you can click on the training here. It will help you step by step as well. And you can edit every lead page. You can edit, you can add a tracking link if you want. For example, you can click on tracking link. Say for example you want to add your link on your Facebook profile. You can add Facebook here, and then click create a short link. It will create a short link for you, and you can go add it on Facebook on your profile page. You can do that as well. So then you can track exactly where your leads come from. So it's a very cool system to use, and the fact that it's free is super amazing. You get all the training. You can see your leads within your Lead Sleep system. You can see your leads over here as well, and you can actually use the traffic exchange and the rotator to promote some of your opportunities. And the cool thing, as a beginner, if you don't have any opportunities, obviously MLM Lead Pro's got you covered with legit opportunities to help you succeed online. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're interested to take a look at MLM Lead Pro, then please go to the description below, click on the link, and register. Like I said, it's free. There's no upgrades, and you can use it to focus on generate leads, building your email list, which is your biggest asset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.